Hey everybody, it's Lillian. I hope that you are doing well. As you can see, I've got a look for you today, and I was thinking, this fall and winter season can be sometimes difficult to wear bright colors and things like that. So when I saw this shirt, I haven't worn this shirt in a long time, and when I saw this shirt, and I said, well, this has the leather shoulders and all of that, but it is pink. So of course I said, of course you can wear pink and orange and yellow and green and blues and purples and all of those colors even during the fall and winter season. So I thought that it would be fun to go ahead and create a look that would kind of go a little bit with my shirt, this pink, very vibrant bubblegum pink, but perfect for the fall. So if you're interested to see how I achieve this look, please stick around.
There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me.
Okay, so this is the Fenty mattifying primer. I haven't really used it. This is my first time, as you can see, but it's a little runny, so I'm a little worried, but I'm putting it all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with the Laneige lip gloss, the Sleeping Lip Gloss in Gummy Bear, I think it is. Okay, so as you can see, I'm getting this brow freeze out. I'm just getting just a little bit. I'm going to show you how much I'm using because I don't feel like I need that much. So this brow freeze is going to go a long way if you like using that. It is kind of like the edge control, and so I'm just trying to adjust, trying to see if I'm feeling it or not. But I just decided since I did buy it, since I have it, I'm going to go ahead and try to use it. And I'm just brushing up my brows so that they will kind of stand straight up and it can look really nice and seamless. And then I'm going to go into that Juvia's Place liner. But as you can see, I'm just kind of putting some powder on it because they will shine, I think, if you don't do that. So here you just see me using that Juvia's Place brow stuff. I'll put it down below as far as what I'm using. Who doesn't love P. Louise? I know I do, right? So anyway, I'm using this P. Louise. This is Rumor 6. I did kind of clean up my brow just a little bit, and I'm using Rumor 6. And so I'm just going to go in and put that down at the bottom of my lid. And as you can see, I'm kind of moving my mouth a little bit because all of that Peter Thomas Roth face tightener stuff is really getting to me. But I'm just spreading that all over the lid. I'm going to do the other eye. Just putting a little bit underneath, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty. This is the Naughty palette, and I believe she came out with another one, but as you can see, I'm using this kind of fall, I would say burgundy type Naughty palette. But as you see, I was just showing you all the different colors that I'm going to use. But right now, I'm just going in and getting all of that transition shade on my lid. I want to make sure that it's nice and covered. So you see me going in maybe more than once, but I'm using a fluffy brush. So I'm just trying to get it all over, and I want it to really blend very nicely and easily. So I just skipped to the darkest color in the palette. I'm going to put that in my little crease there. As you know, I have hooded eyes, so putting it in the crease, I kind of have to feel around with my brush a little bit just to make sure it is going to the right place, to the right area on my eye. I have a little birthmark right there on the edge, but I'm just making sure that shadow is going directly up. It's going straight up as I get to the outer part of my eye. I'm going to spray just a little bit of my brush just to make sure that color is nice and pronounced. So you just saw me spraying, and I want to make sure that I can get the nice, deep, rich tone of that deep burgundy plum type shade. I like it. I think it works really, really, really well. The only thing is I used the Peter Thomas Roth on the top of my eyelid as well, and I'm just having a hard time trying to get an even tone, an even surface up underneath. So if you're going to use the Peter Thomas Roth, the eye tightener, do not use it on the top of your eyelid because it does tighten, but it's not even, if you know what I mean. It doesn't give a real even surface. Listen, honey, at this point, I am feeling my eyes. They are coming together. I am putting just a little bit of this is P. Louise in number 3. And I'm just putting a little bit up there. As you can see, I looked up. I am trying to cut the crease just a little bit. I don't want it real pronounced, but I want to make sure that I have enough product on my eye to make that eyeshadow really stay like I need it to. So I'm just going in the same direction of when I looked up. That's giving me a nice, even area to put my shadow. Here are the lid colors that I'm going to use. This one and that one right there. I am going to go in with that darker shade a little bit, and I'm a little frustrated because what's happening is that that Peter Thomas Roth eyelid tightener, or that eye tightener, is really coming through. So it's really difficult to get an even, like I was saying earlier, it's really difficult to get it really even. But the look is coming out. It's coming, but it's just not as even as I would like. Yes, the color is going on well. Yes, it's very pronounced. But as you can see, one eye is just really pronounced, but it's not even. And then the other one, so I'm trying to lighten it up just a little bit to make sure that I can get my eyes to look alike now. Here I am putting on some foundation. Of course, you can see that I am just so frustrated. But now I'm just going to spray my face a little bit with that Charlotte Tilbury setting spray just to be able to work on the foundation. This is the Fashion Fair foundation. And as you can see, though, the white residue is that Peter Thomas Roth. It is not budging. So I'm just trying to get it all on my face so that I can just kind of move on and go from there. I'm putting a little bit of eyeliner under my eyes just to kind of bring the look all together. You'll see me put some eyeliner on. I know I probably brought I did bring the eyeshadow, that darker shade of the Naughty palette. I brought that down underneath. And so I'm just completing the eye right here. And then I'm going in to my concealer by Makeup Forever. One thing I do know is that when you put on your concealer, make sure that you kind of go around when you are trying to blend it out. Go around like on the outer ends of where you place the concealer, and it'll be quite a bit easier for you to be able to blend. This is just some contour by Fenty, one of those matchstick things that kind of connected together. I'm just blending that out, you know, just kind of giving me a more chiseled look, I guess, so to speak. You've seen me do this plenty of times if you've been following me, but I'm just trying to bring the look together. I'm trying to get over how my eyes came out, so I'm just saying, okay, at least have an even canvas on the rest of the face. Now I just had to say a prayer because I am using this Denona whatever this stuff is. This is some really, really powerful Denona Myris. This is some powerful setting powder. But as you can see, I can control it just a little bit better. I think I went overboard last time, but I see that it is working. LYS, here we come. I'm just using that Passion blush, that cream blush, and making it all work together. It's coming together. What a beautiful, beautiful look. You see it here. This is Kosas, their Cloud 9. This is just a setting powder. This is kind of like your Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. This is kind of like that Sephora baked powder or whatever. This is just for all over the face. I'm just setting all the areas of my face that I didn't get a chance to do before. I'm just going along with that. This is Juvia's Place, contour, doing my nose. I'm going to do my face just a little bit, just to cover up the contour, the cream contour that I used on my cheeks. So I'm just going in and making sure that everything is really complete, just completing with powder. I like to go over everything with powder because my T-zones are already starting to kind of show through. Don't worry, don't worry. I know this seems like a lot, but it takes a lot. It takes some time and energy to look beautiful, right? So this is my Figment. I was just showing you the difference, but for me, I think today I really want to use that Figment because it's a little bit darker than my crease color in my on my eyes. So I'm just going on with Figment, but I'm going very, very lightly because as you can see, I did touch my forehead and all of that. So Figment can be quite dark and quite cool. So I'm just going really on my cheeks and up underneath my chin. And I may put a little bit of Mocha Mami. I may put a little bit of that on top of like up there over my, yeah. See, as you can see right there, I'm putting it all over my forehead area. That is Mocha Mami there. My face is still tight, but we're trying to work it out. Back into that Naughty palette, I'm just going to go ahead and get something to put in my inner eye, right there in my tear duct. And I'm just going in, of course, and spraying my brush so that that color can really come through and shine. Here we are right here at the end. We are almost done with this look, so be patient. We're almost there. The Huda Beauty, Huda Beauty setting spray. I've never used it, just checking it out. But it is not a continuous spray. It's kind of like hairspray though, like the Patrick Star. So I'm just using that. I just sprayed a little bit, and then I'm just going in with my lips, kind of over the line a little bit. I'm going up just a little bit to make my lips a little bit fuller. It's just a dark red, dark burgundy type color. I think this is a ColourPop pencil, but I'm just using that to make sure that everything is kind of in place. As you can see, I had a little mistake there, but we got it fixed, and so I'm just ready to go in with my lipstick. There are some products that are just staples. You know what I mean? So what I'm using is an old favorite. This is a MAC lipstick, and it is Hot Gossip. I'm just putting Hot Gossip there. As you can see, it's a lot like my shirt. It's kind of pink, but I like it because it has a little bit of shimmer, just enough, but it's not overbearing. And so I'm putting that on my lips, and then I'm going to use a gloss. This is a Fenty gloss. You know those minis. I've been buying those minis so much in the little gift sets to where I'm just using kind of what I have. So I'm going over that lipstick with this lip gloss by Fenty. And I'll make sure that I put the name down in the description bar. But it's just a very nice raspberry pink type color. Oh, I'm sorry. This is my time to talk. I got a little sidetracked for a minute because I'm just looking at how this look came out. And as you can see, I am very, very, very pleased with the outcome, even though we talked a little bit earlier about how I was a little disappointed with the Peter Thomas Roth, that face tightening serum. But I am so pleased at how everything came out. I think it's nice and vibrant and bold for this time of the year in this season. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe, and comment down below, and hit that bell notification to be notified anytime there's an upload. Thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye.